Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. Friends, do you want to convert your document into a clean professional looking PDF without using any extra softwares? In this tutorial, I will show you a easiest way to convert your Google Doc to PDF. So here you can convert resumes, reports and school assignments. Let's see the process step by step. So friend, here you can see that this is my Google Doc dashboard. So if you want to open this Google Docs, you can simply click on new tab and then type docs.google.com. You must have your Gmail account, then you can access this platform. Okay, so right now I have already logged in with my Gmail account, and here this is my dashboard. So friend, here you can see that these are the sample documents like resume, brochure, project report and all. Okay, so for example, here you can see that this is the brochure template. Here I'm going to click on it, and this is the sample project which I want to do for you. Okay, so we want to convert this file or document into PDF. Okay, so what I will do, so simply friend, here you can see that this is the file menu which is available on the top. You simply click on it, this file menu, and then friend click on this download option. You simply hover the mouse on it, and here you will get many options. You simply click on this PDF options. Okay, here you can see that the PDF document. You simply click on it and you will get one pop-up box, and by this way you can store your PDF in any location like your drive or directory. Okay, so here I want to save this on my desktop. Okay, so I'm select my desktop and then simply click on this save button. Here friend, you can rename the file. You can easily rename the file. For example, here I'm going to type brochure sample and then click on this save button. Okay, so friend, now my Google document is saved as a PDF. Okay, let's see the output of it. So here you can see that this is the PDF file which is saved on my desktop. Here we are going to open it. So friend, you can see that my Word document is converted into clean professional PDF. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily save and convert your Google Doc into PDF. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to convert Google Doc to PDF. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. I request you guys, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.